Hi everybody, it's Jane, and I just wanted to welcome you to the Clutter Clearing Circle that's happening. So all the details are below in the newsletter, and what I want to do is just give you a quick overview of what's going to happen. So we're going to gather together in a Zoom circle. And for the first 10 minutes or so, I'm going to give you a little introduction, and this time the topic is, where do I start? It's the question I get most often from people. And so even if you don't have a project in mind and you just want to come and get inspired by that first 10 minutes, you might decide to stay because you might get an idea from just sitting and sinking into that idea of where do I start. So that's first. And then for a full hour, we are going to hold space for each other to work on projects. Basically in silence, but we can have your video up if you want, or you can close it off, but the chat box will be open for questions. And at the end, we will come back together and I'll answer all your questions, 15 or 20 minutes worth, and then we will carry on with our lives. But you pick your project, you decide what you want to work on, and we're going to all be here to support each other. So I hope you can make it. Just a couple things to prime the pump and get you ready for this evening together. And the first one is, and this is the one that people don't think very often about when they're considering a clutter clearing project. And it is, what do you really want? And this goes beyond, I want a cleaned out closet or a beautiful garage. This question really speaks to, what do you really want for your life? Because in Feng Shui, clutter really shows up as blocks and resistance. And so as we're clearing our clutter, you're opening up energetic space for the things that you really dream of to come in, take root, and grow and blossom in your life. So that's a huge one. Take a minute before we start to think about, what do you really want to enhance your life? And the second thing to really think about before we start on Thursday is just set yourself up for success. So gather the garbage bags, gather some boxes, consider what you might be going through. Will it be donation? Will it be trash? Will it be recycling, shredding, those kinds of things? Get things ready ahead of time so you're not scrambling around once we get started. Also, if you've got family around, you might want to let them know you're going to be quite busy for an hour or so, and turn the notifications off on your phone. Just set yourself up. I did put some notes down below so you can read through these too, but I thought I'd just mention it. Thank you so much for considering. I hope you come. I hope you invite your friends. I cannot wait, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye.